Is Google Messages for Web not connecting to your phone? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several proven fixes to get it working again. We'll check your internet connection, reconnect your device, and troubleshoot the most common pairing problems. First, make sure both your Android phone and your computer are connected to a stable internet connection. Google Messages for Web requires both devices to stay online in order to sync messages. Next, refresh the browser page. Sometimes the connection is restored after a simple reload. If that doesn't help, close the browser tab and open Google Messages for Web again. Open the Google Messages app on your phone, tap your profile picture, then select Device Pairing. Check whether your computer still appears in the list of connected devices. If your computer isn't listed or the connection appears inactive, remove the old pairing if necessary. So, return to Google Messages for Web, scan the QR code again, and create a fresh connection. Using outdated software can sometimes cause connection issues. Check for updates to the Google Messages app, your Android system, and your web browser before trying again. If the problem continues, restart both your phone and your computer. After they restart, reconnect to Google Messages for Web. A fresh restart often clears temporary connection issues. And that's how to fix Google Messages for Web when it's not connecting. In most cases, checking your connection, repairing your device, or updating your software solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.